All right, y'all, we're gonna make an easy potato crock pot soup. So I got 5 large russet potatoes that I dumped in there. And we're gonna put 4 cups of chicken broth. So that was 2. I'm gonna put 2 more cups. 2 plus 2 equals 4. That's that good math they taught me in South Carolina. All right, now that we got that in there, we're gonna throw in 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're gonna do some pepper. And you can guess it, some salt. There's already some sodium in the broth, so I don't want to overdo it with the salt. Let's get that butter in there. It would go down anyway. All right, y'all, once we have all that in there, we're gonna cover it, set it on high. We're gonna come back in 2 hours. There's one little step we gotta do before this is done. So come back in around 2 hours. All right, y'all, after about 2 to 2.5 hours, we wanna make this little mixture that we're gonna add to it. So that's 1 cup of heavy cream. We got 1/3 cup of sour cream that we're putting in there. 1/3 cup of sour cream, and then we have 1 tablespoon of xanthan, how do y'all pronounce that? Xanthan gum. This is my first time using this, but you can get it at any Walmart. But we're doing 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum. It's gonna go in there. Let's give it a nice stir. All right, so we're gonna give it one little final stir. Set that down for a second. Let's bring over the crock pot. So it's been going for about 2.5 hours at this point. So now we're gonna add in this thick mixture that we made into the soup. Get that last little bit out of there. Make sure it's down there in the mixture. Just kind of get it mixed in. Just a gentle mix. Oh yeah, once we have that mixed in there, we're gonna put the lid back on and we're gonna let it go for about another 30 minutes or so. All right, let's try this crock pot potato soup. Look how it's like curded on top. I really gotta blow on this. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself.